I hear something. I think that's my in. What's up everyone, my name is Daniel and on this channel we do men's lifestyle. So that's fitness, fashion, finance and flirting. If you like what we do here and you want to know more, I want you to like the damn video, smash that subscribe button and comment down below what would you like to see next. So today, I'm dedicating this video to the newer people in our community, the newer lifters, people with less than 1 year of experience. I'm giving you 5 tips for beginners and how to start lifting. But first, Lieutenant and I are going to go to the roll show. So 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're at our roll show now and so my first tip for you guys is to ditch those weight gainers, because weight gainers are just whey protein with a bit of carbs, a bit of fat, and they just jack up that price, okay? So what I recommend is getting regular whey protein with maybe some creatine. If you need to get some more calories, I recommend getting it through other forms of carbs. That's rice, oats, or like a banana, just anything to increase those calories with your carbs, okay? So yeah, so my first tip to our beginners is to ditch those weight gainers. So we're going to enjoy the rest of the show here. I know the lighting's pretty bad, but we're at the food place. It's pretty bright, guys, so sorry about that. And yeah, hopefully we'll win some prizes, go on some rides.
A reaction to your miscalculation, waiting to watch the world burn. Waiting to watch the world burn.
Alright guys, next tip I have for you guys is to do your bread and butter compound movements. So that's bench, deadlift, and the squat. So why I say this is because these are multi-jointed compound movements. By doing these movements, you're getting a lot stronger and you're allowing yourself to progressive overload a lot more quickly and effectively. Also, in gaining strength, you're moving that weight with more muscle, meaning you're gaining more muscle as you're growing in strength. So my second tip for you guys is to do your compound movements. What's up guys? So this is a few days after the Royal Show and I'm just making this video to complete my last 3 tips for beginners. So we kind of got carried away at the Royal Show and it was fucking lit. So the third tip I have for beginners is to enjoy the foods that you eat, okay? So what I recommend is doing like a 80-20 split. So that's 80% clean and 20% like whatever the fuck you want to eat, okay? So in that 80% you want to eat clean foods. That's like you're trying to hit all your macros, so your carbs, your fats, your protein, and in that 20% is just whatever you want to eat, okay? Whatever you enjoy eating. For me, like I have a bit of ice cream after dinner, that's my 20%. What I recommend is do a flexible dieting approach with like if it fit your macros, okay? So that way you can hit your targets within like 10 grams, or if it's fat, 5 grams. And if you hit those targets, you're good for the day, okay? Doing it this way will allow you to enjoy your nutrition a lot more. And it will allow you to adhere to your nutrition a lot better as well. Because we're in this for a good time and a long time, guys. Don't forget that. So my third tip for beginners is just to enjoy your food and just maintain your nutrition. So my fourth tip for beginners is not to dirty bulk, okay? So what dirty bulking is when you eat as many calories as possible. So that's whether that's from like clean food, junk food, any food, okay? So that's eating anything and everything, okay? So why that's a bad idea in general is because you gain a lot of subcutaneous fat, which is quite bad because it can lead to obesity. Do you want obesity? I don't think so, okay? No one wants obesity. That's a bad idea in general. Also, the calories you put into your body aren't all going to be turned into muscle, okay? A lot of it is going to be going into fat. Do you really want to be carrying that much fat, okay? Your body isn't used to carrying that much fat, and it could put unnecessary stress on your body. Another reason why it is a bad idea for you to dirty bulk is because you may never get back into a fat loss phase. Why this is because when your body is used to consuming a lot of calories, when you go back into a calorie deficit, your body isn't very used to that, and you'll go through a lot of psychological problems, okay? So like a lot of eating disorders, and like it's just not a good time. And a lot of people that dirty bulk don't ever come back into a lean phase. So they're just always in this perpetual cycle of trying to lose weight, but their body fights back and they're back at gaining weight again. So if you don't want that to happen to you, don't dirty bulk. What I recommend is, if you do want to increase size, however, I recommend eating in a slight surplus, okay? So not 5,000 calories. I mean like maybe only 500 calories above your maintenance, okay? If 5,000 calories above your maintenance, you're a beast. But I'm just saying, like, you don't need so many calories to build a muscle, because if you have that many calories, it's just gonna be stored as fat, and you don't want that. A lot of people fall into this trap because it's been told to you through social media, through magazines and fitness magazines. So my fourth tip for beginners is to not dirty bulk, okay? And then my last tip for you guys, my fifth tip, is just to stay consistent. Okay, this ties back to tip number 3, but this applies to everything. So make fitness your lifestyle, okay? So you don't have to go to the gym every day like an obsessed person. Like, who would do that, right? You can set like maybe 3 days a week. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You'll choose those days and stay consistent. Go to the gym on those days, okay? So consistency is key for results. So to the people doing the fad diets, that's keto, paleo, cabbage soup diet. Anyways, you're able to lose weight doing any diet, okay? However, when you really get results is when you stay consistent with your nutrition. So are you able to stick with a keto diet for the rest of your life? Because that's what it takes, okay? You need to be able to stay consistent with what you eat. Anyone can lose weight on those diets, okay? But the thing is, you need to stay consistent, because as long as you are in a calorie deficit, you will lose weight, okay? And that's the secret. Calorie deficit, lose weight, easy. But what's not so easy is staying consistent with those diets. Are you able to just eat fat and protein for the rest of your life and like a meager amount of carbs? I don't think so. I tried it, I didn't like it. But if you like it, if you really like keto, you go for it, okay? So just trust the process, enjoy the ride the process takes you on, and make gains. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it at all, I want you to like the damn video, smash the subscribe button, and comment down below what would you like to see next, okay? And as always, stay sick.